Hello everyone, I am Pragati Jha Parasar. I am from Hubli Mohsin College and I am legal intern of Lexis and Company. In this video, I am going to describe the rules of law. That is meaning of rules of law. So what is the meaning of rules of law? Rules of law means rule of law, not a rules of men. It is derived from French phrase that is lay principle de legalite. That means principle of legality. So according to the Professor Wade expressed, the government should be the subject to the law and not rather than law subject to the government. So according to the Black Law Dictionary, rules of law may be specially defined the supremacy of law. That means all the decision, all the act should be taken by following the rules, regulation and law, not any not any intervention of discretionary power by any authority. That means every decision should be followed according to the law. So the rules of law is a basic and general principle of the Constitution. It is characterized in the word Max Weber is that legal domination of an idea government of law rather than an idea of men. So in the rules of law means everyone from government, high authority, any person should comes under the law. uh, they should follow the law. They are not above the law. So the doctrine of rules of law has been described as supremacy of law. That means where is the rules of law, no person can be said to be above the law. Even the function of an action of executive organ of the state shall be within the ambit of the law. Every function, every executive function should be done under the by law, by following the law, not above the law. So rules of law impose duty all citizens in parliamentary democracy to obey the law, and the such obedience of law itself must be just law and not an arbitrary and oppressive law. So the aim of rules of law is that constitution is uplifting the principle and the fundamental right of the people. The rule of law has it pronounced to make sure that the executive does not use the law of land or a country to oppress or curtail the individual as they are found in the bill of the rights. That means rules of law is made and it should be followed by every citizen of the country, every executive, legislative and every organ. Every work should be done under the law. No person is above the law. So rules of law is made for everyone, and that no everyone has a right to fundamental right and free expression. So no one can use their power to oppress the other person. So rules of law is generally means rule of law. That means every man should follow the rules of law, and all persons are equal before the law. So this is about the meaning of rules of law. Thank you.